Considering getting into WaterFed? Not sure which system is right for you? Look no further than ABC's bestseller, the Phaser. It's our most popular system for new users or those looking to save money by upgrading from DI only. You'll love working faster, easier, and safer, and your customers will love the spot-free results. Setup and use are a breeze. The included Quick Start Guide will have you up and running in minutes. Use standard tap pressure to clean up to 3 stories, or add a booster pump to clean 6 stories and beyond, all from the safety of the ground. You'll be able to reach previously inaccessible windows and bid new jobs. Add any of our top quality Triple Crown WaterFed poles, or virtually any other pole, and your favorite cleaning accessories to guarantee an efficient clean on windows, frames, siding, signs, solar panels, and more. The Phaser is ultra portable and easily stores in any work vehicle. Weighing only 28 pounds, its simple, proven design, low upfront cost, and low cost per gallon to operate, even in hard water areas, have made the Phaser ABC's #1 selling WaterFed system year after year. Ready to improve your capabilities and increase your profits by working safer and smarter? Contact us today and start cleaning with the Phaser WaterFed system from ABC Window Supply.